How to download Instagram threads in any Android device. So for that we need to use this website apkthreads.com. So I will leave a link to this website in the description box. Once you click on that, you will land on this website and just click on download threads apk. It will land you on this page. Just click on download threads apk, and here you need to choose which browser do you want to go with. We want to go with the Chrome. Just click on just once, and from here you see the Mediafire is over here. So just click on download and click download anyway, and you see the file has already started to download. Let it just finish and then I will show you that how to install it. Okay, so the file has been downloaded. Now just click on this file and now click on just once and click on install. As you can see that the file has already started to install. Now it has been installed. Now just click on open, and here is your Instagram threads app. Now just click on login with Instagram, and here you need to provide your username and your password and click on login, and you will be logged into the Instagram threads application.